My name is Ben with On the Water Designs, Ontario's premier aluminum frame dock manufacturer located just south of Gravenhurst in the beautiful Muskoka region. Today I want to talk to you about one of the most unique products in the industry, our very own Leisure Series pole dock. The most innovative pole dock in production today. Its precision made and lightweight design bolts together instead of being welded. This type of construction technique makes it a great package for a summer do-it-yourselfer or a contractor. Made from 6061 T6 marine grade aluminum, its classic truss style frame design ensures an excellent strength to weight ratio. Only non corrosive aluminum and stainless steel fasteners are in the dock's assembly. The Leisure Series system was developed with the aid of the latest 3D CAD modeling software to ensure each part is an exact fit. Our proprietary in-house tooling guarantees consistent production of this design and ensures every hole is in the exact right place. Each dock is Canadian made right here in the beautiful Muskokas. The only dock in the industry that actually comes in a box for contractors, those do-it-yourselfers, and clients requiring it shipped outside of Ontario. If purchasing locally, you can also have your dock assembled for easy self-installation or have it installed by one of our trusted contractors. We also have a large dealer network spanning across Ontario. With all ramp and dock sections at 5 feet by 10 feet and corner walkways available, you can design almost any layout you can envision. The Leisure Series pole dock comes with either standard leg, which allows for height adjustment of your dock in areas which fluctuate more than others, or the option of hidden leg, which provide more surface space and is the best option for areas with fluctuation under approximately 1 foot. The Leisure Series extruded frame allows you to slide easy glide bumper into place without the use of screws or nails. Decking options include Micro-Pro Sienna pressure treated, or our most sought after Western Red Cedar, and of course composite through flow decking. Contact our friendly staff at On the Water Designs and let us help you design the dock you want and have it delivered to your property this week. On the Water Designs has a process to keep you safe and having fun at the same time. We look forward to discussing your new project and providing the most economical option in the industry, the Leisure Series pole dock. Thank you very much, and we hope to hear from you.